Here we have heat shrink tubing. This is a 3:1 ratio, adhesive lined marine grade shrink wrap tubing. It's industrial grade heat shrink. It comes in 1/4 black, and this is a 50-foot roll. So if you ever done anything electrical hobby wise or repairing stuff, you know the importance and the good quality done right type job is done with heat shrink, because it's waterproof, it has a secure bond, and it's easy to work with. You're able to connect wires so efficiently. This way it avoids mess without clipping and all that other stuff. So with quality heat shrink, this is what I use for my wires. Right here I'm repairing 100-foot very old electric cord, and this is the way to go, because electric cord gets a lot of abuse. It's thrown around, it's outside, you need some waterproof protection, and I'm using this heat shrink tubing to get the job done. Easily heated up to form around the wire, and it just makes the job more simple, and it makes a simple job look very professional. You also have the quality of the construction, and you also have the peace of mind that it's gonna last, and there's no doubt about it. So this is great for boats, electronic equipment, marine environment, automotive, and computer. So if you're geeking out on computer and making your own wires and stuff, this is the stuff you need, and it's a convenient 50-foot roll, and you can't go wrong with that.